In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background in Adobe Express. Now, there's a few ways to do this. The first one and the easiest one is simply going to be to pick a color for your background. So if you have a white blank canvas like me, you can just go and click on that canvas and click on Edit Page up top. And as you can see here, it says background. And you can just click on this color over here and you can go and basically select which color you want. So here's the defaults, and you also have some default gradients. If you click on them, it's going to set that specific color as the background. You also have the option of custom up top, which allows you to create custom gradients over here, just like this as well, okay? So that's the first way you could actually go and set a background. I'm actually going to remove it right now so I can just show you how it actually, of course, looks if you want to use an image as the background. So you could also use an image or something similar. You could go to add content and click on media, and from here you have three options really. You could go and upload from your device. If you have an image, you can click on it and click on open. You could also go and of course generate an image using AI over here directly. You can select the kind of size over here, resolution, stuff like that, and then generate it. So if I do square, I can, as you can see, generate directly inside here. Or the third option here would be to actually go to media, and you could go and basically find some of these things you have in here, okay? So like stock images or something similar. In my case, I'm just gonna use like a sample background, which I have under my stuff, which I already have uploaded. So I'm just gonna go and use for my background, for example, this image over here. I'm gonna click on it and it's gonna pop up over here. And all you have to do is basically position it where you want the background to be. So for me, it's going to be like this. I'm going to extend it to make it a bit bigger. There we go. That's going to be okay for me, let's say. And then what you have to do is right click, and then you want to click on send to back. When you do this, it's going to send it to the back, or you could just drag and drop it to the bottom over here. Now, as you can see, my image has been set as the background, but there's also one more option. You could also click on that specific image and simply go to edit up top and then edit over here top left, and you can just click on set background over here, and the image is going to be set as a background of your project. You won't be able to move it. It's going to be locked in place. And then over here, if you hover over it, it's also be indicated that it's a background, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.